Hello nursery and welcome back to some more math sorting. We've just been doing some sorting of colours. Now I want to move on to sorting some amounts if you are ready for the challenge. If you want to stay with sorting colours or shapes, feel free to do that, that's fine. I'm just going to set some other activities that if you want to move on and develop these skills that you can do. So, we are frog class, aren't we? I know we're all missing being in the frog class, so I'm recreating it. Well, I've got ponds. 1, 2, 3 ponds here, and I've got 3 wooden frogs. Can you see them? They're very small. I will get on to paint these so they'll be green soon, but at the moment they're 3 wooden frogs. I want to move these around. I want to sort them into different ways so that we've always got them in a pond. They haven't always got to be in the same pond. They haven't got to be in separate ponds. But I want you to have a go at trying to move them so all the frogs have somewhere to swim. Okay. Making sure you can see my frog pond. So we have 3 in total. We're going to move them now so they've all got somewhere to swim. I'm going to put 1 in this pond, 1 in the middle pond, and 1 in the end pond. Can you see that we have a frog in each pond? Sorry, camera skills, but we're going back. Now we can try again and do a different way. Maybe I'm going to move this frog to join its friend in pond number 1. So now we've got 2 in one pond and 1 in the other. Does that still make 3 though? 1, 2, 3. Yes, so we've used them all up. Now we can move them again. This one's feeling lonely. He's going to hop to pond number 1. And look, we've put all 3 in the same pond. Now we can move them around again. Just jumped into different ponds. See how many ways you can sort those frogs. I have said you can start with numbers 2, well, working on numbers 1 to 10, but it's harder sometimes working with the less numbers. So maybe starting with 3 or 2 is a good number, and then move on. So I can add some more frogs. I'm going to go to, let's work with 5. So we've now got 5 frogs and we're going to find somewhere for them to swim. So they all have got to be in a pond. You can make more ponds if you want to, or you can just use 3, 2, 4, however many you want. But practically, I want to see you moving items so they can have somewhere to swim. So now I've got 2 in this pond, 2 in this pond, and 1 in that pond. Shall we count them to see if we've still got 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can move them around. So now I've got 3 in this pond and 2 in this pond. We might make them hop. So now I've got 4 in this pond and 1 in this pond. This one might be feeling lonely. Hop, hop, hop. All 5 now in the same pond. Hopefully you can see the idea of sorting them, and it's starting to work out different ways of making a number. So they were all different ways to make the number 3, and then we had to go at making the number 5. Again, on the PowerPoint I have extended this up to 10. It might take a little bit longer because some of you might want that challenge and some of you might want to just explore that more. Feel free to. If you want to stay the colours, again, of course you can do. If you want to just trial these with number 3, please have a go. You can make your own little ponds at home. Maybe you can draw your own frogs, or maybe some lilies or something to put in the frog pond, or anything very simple that you can just move around. You could even make it with green duplicate bricks. So green bricks could be your frogs and make them jump between the ponds. Hopefully you can see from that little video the skills we're trying to get across here. Have fun and explore moving these around with your grown-ups. I'm sure after 1 or 2 goes with your grown-up you'll be able to do this on your own, and it's just a chance to explore. Have fun, and we're back in a minute with some numbers. So try and do the same with numbers if you want to extend yourself on. 3 different steps this week, but fit in into your own stage. Have fun, frogs! See you soon!